So I'll begin by preheating the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. These are the ingredients that we're using. Vanilla. We have the cupcake holders. We have sugar, vegetable oil. If you want, you can use butter. And then we have grated carrots for me. And then I'm going to use baking powder. And we'll add some raisin, chocolate chips. And then we have milk, 2 eggs, and 2 cups of baking flour. I'm going to add the ingredients on the description box with the correct measurements. So what I'm going to do is mix the dry ingredients first, and then we add the wet ingredients. And then for the carrots, you don't blend the carrot, you get something different. So I'll show you the stage where you use the carrots. So I'll just add the sugar, the oil, the baking soda, I prefer blending them. So I'm going to put my milk, then I'll add the vegetable oil, and we're going to do 2.5 ml of the vanilla flavor. So I'm going to do 2.5 ml. Then break the eggs. I'm going to beat the eggs without them in there. So we are going to blend the liquids.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us